Okay, so after the aftermath of that leak, looks like it really had stopped and everything. Hey, what's up? Now we're gonna repaint and fix this up where it's peeled up from the flood. Okay. Okay. All right, so painted the basement after just doing a bunch of prepping of the floor, and this is after we had that leak over there, which as you can see is nice and dry now. After I fixed the sink that was leaking, so that's how the floor looks now. Really nice. Using the Armor Seal Treadplex paint from Sherwin-Williams. Creates a really nice coating, almost like it's been resurfaced almost. It's really good paint for basements, and looks good. All right, so that's it. And then, all right, so we pulled the carpet that was here. I'm gonna clean this up also. Hey, that's in the bag there. Over here, I took the carpet and cleaned that up, took most of the staples and nails out, at least so you're not walking on nails and staples. I wasn't instructed to do anything further on this, or paint it or anything like that. I think it probably needs like either new flooring lay down or new skid strips. They're all worn out, so There's some carpentry that needs done on this at some point, but it's cleaned up. So that's that. All right, now next thing is okay, so we're gonna put these detectors up real quick and change the batteries out on the existing smoke detectors. So that. All right, so we've changed the batteries out on these. Let's see, that works. That works. Okay. All right. Okay, that goes. And then the last one. Okay, that'll be it. I'm done.